Okay, so it's like that time, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm still awake. And I was cruising this dumbass's channel, and I'm tired. Bear with me, because this is pretty awesome. I mean, you know, I have to at least sound stupid when presenting something this awesome. So, fair use of this horrible YouTube channel for this stupid video of a guy using pure psychic willpower to maintain a live stream while the lightning takes out his power. This one back here. Okay, we just had a power out. Did I manage to maintain the stream? That takes a lot of energy every time. Anybody know what the hell just happened on my face? I'm just gonna rest for a second. Time's up. There again with the twitching, with artifacting twitching. That's weird. Alright. So. Shit. Well, I'm sure you saw the screen go dark because all the fucking lights went out here. I usually have a better time gaining intense focus, like, when needed, you know. Oh, you didn't see the screen go dark? Because, I mean, everything fucking shut off, so I don't know how the hell you would have seen me. Everything. Huh. That's weird. Maximo, did you see the screen go dark? Or just like my face go dark, like when the light stopped shining on it or something? Did like the light glare from the screen visibly lapse at all? That's fucking weird. I don't know how the hell you could have seen me still. Like, I could understand maintaining the stream. That's what that happened. Yeah, so you got any updates for us on the overpass collapse since you live out there? This one back here. This one back here. Some kind of soup. Oh.
This one back here.
Damn it. Trying to get it to where it'll show the timestamp on there. So there's like no possibility of this being edited.
This one back here.
There's no light in the background or nothing. There's nothing coming through. There's nothing right there. Wait. Oh wait, there has to be something. So it's just the webcam that went off. This stays on. Nothing back there in the background at all.
Okay, we just had a power out. Did I manage to maintain the stream? That takes a lot of energy every time.
As soon as I realize everything's okay, I'm like a little surprised by the fact that the stream's still up, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna rush now. just gonna take a little break. I'm just gonna take 5. Yeah. So, anyways, this was interesting in my opinion, and I hope you found it fascinating as well. Thank you for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And I appreciate it if you go through my old videos and learn what I'm back to teach. Fuck else are you gonna do?